Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and I'm getting ready for some pretty major studio upgrades, and one of those upgrades will be it'll be this hardwood floor. So these types of, I don't guess you'd call them wheels, but most of your office chairs have these. They're kind of a hard plasticky type material, and they'll tear up hardwood. And you know, a lot of people, they'll put those mats down, and I hate mats. So there's a solution for that. So all that I'm going to do, well, these are supposed to come out. So all I was going to do is remove these. Oh, there we go. I just had to pull pretty hard. So see, that's pulled out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my new wheels. These wheels look like a roller blade. And just pop it in, and boom. I've got a wheel that I can use on a hardwood floor, as well as carpet. So we're going to go through and do all of these. Wow, those things come out, but they're not easy. Pop this one in. And by the way, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order these online. They come in a variety of different colors. These were just the colors that I opted to get. The color, rather. Here's that. Pop this in. Nice. Yeah, I hate those mats. Anytime I go into an office and they've got mats, I get mad. Okay, one more to go. Got it. So it's that easy. Now I just prop my chair back up. Put these old wheels away just in case I need them for something. I don't know why I'd need them. This is a major upgrade. And if I like these, I've got one more chair currently in my studio. I'm going to upgrade it too. Oh man, that's nice. And they roll better. They're really going to roll well on hardwood. On carpet, I'll admit, they're a little different. But again, I mean, these are going to be used on hardwood. But yeah, those are nice. Look at that. They look cool. So again, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find where to order these online. Very affordable, come in a variety of different colors, and I felt that the build quality was great. So yeah, definitely it's going to be more optimized for rolling on hardwood, and obviously that's why I upgraded. So you can see they don't handle the carpet as well as the old style, whatever you call them, did. But these are going to be like a boss on hardwood. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Iric Sky. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Iric Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Iric Sky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.